Hi there! Welcome to Meta Horizon Worlds, where you can meet up with your friends and make new ones. You'll need to create an avatar to visit Horizon. Once you make one, you'll be ready to start exploring. Hold tight while we make you look fabulous. This is how you'll look now, but you can update your avatar at any time. Welcome! Let's take a couple of minutes to learn the basics and then get you into some exciting experiences with others. There are 2 movement styles available. Emotes are a fun way to let people know you're excited about something. Worlds are full of objects like this that you can interact with. Awesome! There are so many opportunities to socialize in Horizon. Find some cool worlds to hang out with your friends, or make new ones playing games. Let's have some fun. Grab that toy gun and shoot as many rings as you can. Sit. Nice. Crushed it. There's no shortage of scheduled happenings, from gaming events to comedy shows and concerts. Make sure you get all the ins and outs by accepting the invites if you plan to attend. Take a look at the inside of your wrist. That's your wristband. Now that the basics are out of the way, which world to visit first? Walk up to a doorway, walk through it, and you'll be on your way.
Hey yo, what up, pussy? Hey yo, what up, pussy? Fuck nigga. What up, pussy? Hold on, I wanna shoot you. What's up, bro? You got Mike Gango? What up, fam? What up? I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not gonna kill you. I don't wanna kill you, bro. I don't wanna kill you. Psych! Psych! Baby, I just killed him. Yeah! I thought I was gonna kill him instead.
Welcome to Theater Elsewhere, your go-to spot for animated adventures. Ready for a quick tour? I promise to keep it snappy and worth your while. You can skip the tutorial anytime by pressing the Return to Browse button on your right controller. Let's start with the Discovery Wall, complete with a handy navigation bar at the bottom. You can pick your category, then point at any thumbnail and press Trigger to dive into the content. Tucked away in the corner, you'll find the App Settings. This is where you can tweak the volume, show or hide button labels, and adjust other settings. Behold, the majestic snail statue of the Ilgini Desert, a revered symbol of endurance and wisdom. We are going to spend some time here to explore the controls. In front of you, there's a handy helper UI that will show you exactly what I'm referring to. Press the Show Hide panel button on your left controller to access playback controls. Some content includes chapters. To move past them, press the blue blinking Continue icon on the playback bar or your right.